What if the most powerful way to control people is by saying nothing at all? You've seen it. Leaders who say less but influence more. They don't speak, they signal. Because silence isn't empty, it's loaded. And today, you'll learn to use that silence to make anyone follow your lead. This isn't manipulation, this is psychology, real, raw, unfiltered. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact formula to make people agree with you without raising your voice or even moving your lips. They say the loudest one in the room is often the weakest, but the ones who speak less, who pause, who hold silence like a weapon, they're the ones who make people obey without saying a single word. The most powerful person in the room is often the one who says the least. Greene, The 48 Laws of Power. Today I'll reveal a psychological technique so subtle, yet so effective, that people will follow your lead without even realizing it. You've seen it before. The boss who walks in and instantly commands attention. The speaker who pauses and suddenly everyone listens. The friend who doesn't argue, but somehow everyone agrees with them anyway. That's not magic. That's a psychological weapon called silent authority. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to use it too. Let's break down why silence is so powerful. 1. Silence creates discomfort. Our brains are wired to fill empty space. Long pauses make people feel uneasy, so they speak to escape it. 2. We assign meaning to silence. The less someone says, the more we assume they know. It's called the authority bias. We assume quiet confidence equals expertise. 3. People take ownership. When someone fills your silence with their own words, they own the idea. They believe it was theirs all along. And that's when real persuasion happens. Silence is a source of great strength. Lao Tzu. Let me tell you a real story. Maya was a mid-level team lead at a tech company. She wasn't loud. She didn't dominate meetings. She'd simply ask one powerful question, then sit back in silence. One time she asked, "What's the biggest risk in this proposal that we haven't noticed yet?" Then, silence. 5 seconds, 7 seconds. People started speaking, first with discomfort, then with confidence. Her team ended up changing their entire strategy without Maya saying another word. She created the shift, but they felt like it was their decision. That's leadership through silence. Here's how you can apply this invisible power trick in your own life. Step 1. Ask a high-impact question. Examples. What do you think is the smartest move right now? What would make this feel fair to you? How would you approach this? Step 2. Pause. Say nothing. Hold the silence. Make eye contact. Relax your face. Don't fidget. Step 3. Let them speak first. The moment they respond, they're already invested in the outcome. Step 4. Reflect and reinforce. Briefly echo their thoughts. So you think it makes sense to try Plan B first? This builds trust and alignment. There's a reason why the most influential people in the world talk less. Think about it. Elon Musk doesn't speak in long sentences. Barack Obama is known for his pauses. Even spiritual leaders, Dalai Lama, Thich Nhat Hanh, use silence like a tool. Better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak and remove all doubt. Abraham Lincoln. Silence builds mystery, weight, and presence. It signals that you're thinking, not reacting, that you're listening, not dominating. Rahul was a 28-year-old insurance agent. He learned a trick. Instead of pitching, he'd ask, "What would a perfect plan look like to you?" Then he'd go silent. The clients would speak. They'd describe their needs. By the time they were done, Rahul would just match their own words. He didn't sell, they sold themselves. That's silent influence. Now, Here's what not to do. Don't make it awkward. If your silence feels nervous or passive-aggressive, it will backfire. Confidence is key. Don't use it to manipulate. This isn't about deception. It's about allowing space for genuine decision-making. Don't break it too soon. Most people rush to fill silence. The power lies in holding it longer than they expect. Your silence is only powerful if your body backs it up. Here's how. Shoulders relaxed but straight, chin slightly raised, hands open or calmly folded. Steady eye contact, not aggressive, just grounded. The combination of posture plus silence equals dominance without effort. It's called nonverbal persuasion, and it's deadly effective. So next time you're in a meeting, a debate, or even a negotiation, don't rush to speak. Ask a question, then say nothing. Let silence do the work. Let people reveal their thoughts. Let them obey without realizing why. In the description, I've added a downloadable PDF with 5 powerful questions and silence exercises. If you want to master this art, start with that. Also, check out the book I recommended. It truly changed how I understand people. If this video helped you, give it a like, comment where you'll try this trick next, and subscribe for more human psychology breakdowns. In the next video, we'll talk about the 3 posture hacks that instantly make you more respected. Until then, stay powerful, stay silent.